Hello everyone, today we're going to introduce our QuikLock system. So we have QuikLock post-mail lure and QuikLock Gen 2 and with the non-vented file adapter. And finally we have the back spike with Gen 2 and a butterfly wing on the back of the spike. And today we have an operator with me and we can start to use it. For example, we wanted to have 5cc drugs inside the file. And we put 5 cc on the syringe with air first, and then we connect it with our QuikLock. So that's first step. And then the second step, we put the file adapter onto the file by clicking it. And then when we want to withdraw the drugs, we simply just click it and put it upside down and withdraw and let go, withdraw and let go to let the air inside the syringe going up to the vial and let the drugs inside the vial goes down to the syringe. So now we have 5 cc. We disconnect it and then we put our back spike into the bag. And first of all, we have to remove it from the bag. And then we take out the spike cap and then we put it inside the bag. And then we put the drugs that we already had, and also just to click it, and then we push to let the drugs goes inside the bag. And simply just remove it by clicking the two what we call wings here to remove it. And then we mix the drugs together. And we remove the bottom part of the butterfly wings by turning it. And then we have another IV set. We take out the IV set. And first of all, we need to lock pinch clamp like this. And then we remove the cap. And put the spike into the butterfly wing that we just removed. We put it inside it. And then we can hang it on the top. And squeeze it a little bit. And remove the cap of the mail lure. And we open up the roller clamp, and then you can see the flow goes down like this. So this is basically how we use from drugs to bag. Thank you very much.